Before we dive into Step 4 of the Curriculum Planning Guide, let's recap the district's focus on acceleration of math content versus remediation, what this means for data-informed and data-driven planning, as well as what this means for tailored instruction, student practice, assessment, and relooping of math content. When implementing Core Action 1, teachers must focus on grade level content. In contrast, teachers have been taught and told throughout their careers to remediate or create work from previous grade levels when students are struggling with grade level content. This practice has become an instinctive strategy for teachers and must change. For example, at the beginning of Topic 7, a teacher wants to reteach second grade addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers, first grade place value concepts, and first grade problem types in Standard 1 OA1. However, pre-pandemic research shows that this approach can actually hurt students and intensify racial inequities because it will take longer to get to Topic 7, where the new second grade problem types in Standard 2 OA1 are primarily addressed. This will also cause the teacher to get further behind on pacing, which may result in him or her not being able to teach Quarter 4 content standards addressed in topics 12 through 15. Half of Quarter 4 standards are major work standards for Grade 2, so slowing the pacing to remediate is not a good practice nor a good idea. What we have learned is acceleration is the approach that has shown that students struggle less and learn more when exposed to grade level content. With acceleration, the second grade teacher starts with second grade content and strategically builds in key first grade concepts when students might need them to master the grade level work. This just-in-time teaching ensures students spend more time on the work of their grade, the key to ultimately catching up. Many of our students will need acceleration due to unfinished instruction in previous school years. Unbound Ed defines unfinished instruction in two parts. The first part is unfinished teaching. Unfinished teaching occurs when certain standards or concepts were not directly taught prior to entering the next grade level. The second part is unfinished learning. Unfinished learning occurs when students do not demonstrate proficiency before entering the next grade level. In short, we can define unfinished instruction as any combination of teaching and learning occurring within an academic year that fails to provide students with the opportunity to demonstrate proficiency with grade level skills through texts, tasks, and/or problems. We know CMS teachers worked very hard last school year to support students throughout this pandemic. Even so, the amount of unfinished instruction has increased for many students, and especially for our Black and Hispanic students. In response, it is key that we accelerate our students by providing high-quality grade-level content rather than remediating with content from previous grades. When we think with a deficit mindset, we might say words like the ones captured at the top of the slide. We want to encourage you and each other to be talent scouts by making statements or asking questions like, what ideas do students come to us already knowing? These thoughts and words will guide our beliefs and actions. Now let's learn some ways to accelerate student learning in Step 4.